What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a sink drain. Now this one is no overflow, okay? So you don't see no holes right here. This is a straight pipe. All right, since y'all know that our new sink is no overflow in it, so I just went online, got this from Amazon. This is a pop-up, and to take it off you have to twist it off. Now this one is not like a catcher on it like my other ones have, like a catcher in case you drop your wedding ring, you drop an earring or something. So this one do not have a catch to it, so don't drop your wedding ring. All right, so you screw it all the way on and that's it. So you have the washer right here that stops the water. This one is the seal that goes on top of the drain. All right, I know a lot of people use plumber's putty. If you want to use plumber's putty, it's up to you. I haven't used plumber putty in a long time, you guys. I have been using these and it's been working. So this is the other side of the drain right here, and for you to put it in the drain for it to fit, you have to twist this off. So you twist that off, you leave that on. So it's a lot of variables into this thing, but for you to fit this in the drain, you have to take all of this off. All right, so we will be testing all this. So it's showing you what stays on the bottom and what goes on the top. But it's always good to go over the instructions all together. I like these instructions. All right, you guys, so here goes the drain right here. And I want to say something. If you're getting drains and stuff, just keep a lookout at the thread. All right, so this is a drain that came with one of the faucets that I got in the past. But if you look at the threads, you see that this thread is longer than this thread right here. So if you're redoing your drainage and stuff, that's something to keep an eye out on, especially when you're dealing with the tail piece for your pipe right here. So yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go. Take the bottom off. All right, so we got the bottom off right there, and this stays on like that, like that. Put this dome back in, and once again, this is a non-overflow drain, so there's no overflow on it. You don't see no holes or nothing here, so that's it. Nothing more with that. All right, now you got your rubber washers right here. Now if you're old school, you might still use plumber's putty, but if you're comfortable with plumber's putty, that's fine. This stuff goes on the bottom, and this is your washer to block water from coming in. So you put that right on top. Now you got to go underneath and put all your stuff back on. So let's go ahead. All right, you guys, so we are going to put this up. So as you see, the dome is like that, and you also have your flat piece. Your flat piece is supposed to be on this little nut right here, so it's all going to come out like this. All right, so what you do is go ahead and put this on. All right, and that should cover it just in case of leaks. Then you want to go ahead and put your nut on right here. And when you're doing this, you may have to hold the top part of your drain. So you have to take the inside of your drain off. And I'll show y'all that later. So there we go. And then we come back up, put this back on, and that's it. That's how you assemble a drain, you guys. Simple and easy. You can do this yourself without any troubles. Now, once I hook up my water, I'll let y'all see the drainage as far as the operation on the water stoppage. But what I did was I took it off. I took it off right here. And to take it off, you have to twist. All right. Some you could just open up, but this one is a twist on it. So you twist it, you close it, and the water should stop. And then open it up. Nice and easy. So let me go ahead and hook my water up, and then I'll let y'all see the water stopping, or let y'all see how this drain hold back water. All right, now y'all ready to see how fast it drains. All right, it drained pretty fast.